Why do 90% of entrepreneurs fail to tap into AI's full potential? Let's change that. Imagine creating your own AI bot from scratch without spending a dime. Sounds amazing, right? AI bots are revolutionizing how businesses operate, making them more efficient and productive. From automating customer service to generating content, these bots can do it all. Now, here's the best part. You can earn an average of $6,879 by selling custom AI bots. Start by identifying a niche market. Think healthcare, finance, or content creation. Next, design your bot using user-friendly drag-and-drop tools. Add some unique features and voila, you've got a marketable product. Want to stand out? Focus on user-friendliness and affordability. Build a strong community and offer top-notch support. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI bots and turn your tech passion into a profitable business today.